Are you tired of your MacBook battery losing its juice faster than you'd like? Introducing AlDente, the ultimate all-in-one charge limiter app for your MacBook, designed to help you extend your battery's lifespan and save you from costly replacements. Step 1. Downloading AlDente. The first step is simple. Head over to the official AlDente website and download the app. It's compatible with all MacBook models, so whether you have the latest M3 chip or an older version, AlDente has you covered. Once you've downloaded and installed AlDente, it's time to set it up. You'll notice a sleek dashboard with a range of pro features designed to optimize your battery usage. Step 3. Exploring pro features. Let's take a look at some of the standout features of AlDente. 1. Heat protection. Prevents battery degradation by automatically stopping charging when your MacBook's temperature is too high. 2. Calibration Mode. Ensures accurate battery calibration by performing a full cycle at least once a month. 3. Sailing Mode. Allows you to set a sailing range for your battery, optimizing its charge-discharge cycles. 4. Hardware battery percentage. Access the real battery percentage reported by your MacBook's battery management system. 5. Automatic discharge. Automatically discharges your MacBook when the set charge limit is lower than the current battery percentage. 6. Top Up charges your battery to 100% just once for long working sessions without access to a plug. 7. Apple Shortcuts. Support. Customize AlDente using Apple Shortcuts for added convenience. 8. Control MagSafe LED. Change the color of the MagSafe LED to indicate your MacBook's charging state. 9. Stop charging when sleeping. Pauses charging when your MacBook goes into sleep mode. 10. Right click. Pause and start charging with a simple right click on the menu bar icon. 11. Discharge in clamshell mode. Use discharge even when your MacBook is in clamshell mode. 12. Live status icons. Stay updated on your battery status with live icons in the menu bar. Step 4. Customizing your preferences. AlDente offers a range of customization options to suit your needs. Whether you want to prioritize battery health or maximize performance, you can tailor the settings to your preferences. And there you have it. With AlDente, you can take control of your MacBook's battery life and ensure it lasts longer than ever before. Download AlDente today and say goodbye to battery woes. Subscribe now and like the video, please.